Join me as I dive into the crazy world of car trends and see if I can predict why this Ferrari is going up in flames in 2025. Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. Ferrari's always been a household name, synonymous with speed and luxury. The brand's been making waves in the automotive industry for decades, and 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for the Italian carmaker. With new models and technologies on the horizon, it's clear that Ferrari is on the move. Ferrari's rich history is a key part of its appeal, with a legacy that spans over 70 years. From its humble beginnings as a small Italian sports car manufacturer to its current status as a global luxury brand, Ferrari has always been driven by a passion for innovation and performance. The company's commitment to excellence has earned it a loyal following among car enthusiasts and collectors. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, Ferrari is well positioned to remain a major player. Ferrari's recent challenges have been well documented, from increased competition in the luxury car market to the need for sustainable and environmentally friendly technologies. However, the brand has risen to these challenges, investing heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the curve. With a focus on hybrid and electric powertrains, Ferrari is poised to lead the way in the transition to a more sustainable automotive industry. This commitment to innovation has helped Ferrari stay relevant in a rapidly changing market. The luxury car market is more competitive than ever, with brands like Lamborghini and Porsche vying for attention. But Ferrari's unique blend of style, performance, and heritage sets it apart from the competition. With a range of models that cater to different tastes and preferences, Ferrari has something for everyone. From the sleek and sophisticated Portofino to the track-ready 488 GTB, Ferrari's lineup is diverse and exciting. Ferrari's new models are a major part of its success in 2025. The upcoming SF90 Straight-Ale is a hybrid supercar that combines thrilling performance with impressive efficiency. With its advanced all-wheel drive system and sophisticated aerodynamics, this car is a game-changer. Ferrari's also investing in electric powertrains, with plans to launch its first fully electric model in the near future. This move is expected to help the brand appeal to a new generation of car buyers who prioritize sustainability. The SF90 Straight-Ale is just one of several new models that Ferrari has in the works. The company is also developing a range of special edition cars, each with its own unique character and charm. From the limited production Daytona SP3 to the track-only F8 Tributo, Ferrari's special edition cars are highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. These cars are a key part of Ferrari's appeal, offering a level of exclusivity and rarity that's hard to find elsewhere. Ferrari's technological advancements are another area where the brand is really excelling. The company is investing heavily in advanced materials and manufacturing techniques, allowing it to create cars that are both stronger and lighter. This focus on innovation has helped Ferrari stay ahead of the competition, with cars that are not only faster, but also more efficient. The brand's also exploring new technologies like autonomous driving and advanced driver assistance systems. Ferrari's sales figures are a testament to the brand's enduring popularity. Despite the challenges posed by the global pandemic, Ferrari has continued to see strong demand for its cars. The brand's loyal customer base is a major factor in its success, with many owners returning to purchase new models year after year. Ferrari's also expanding its reach into new markets, with a growing presence in countries like China and the United States. The brand's commitment to customer experience is another area where it's really excelling. From its luxurious dealerships to its exclusive owner events, Ferrari offers a level of service and support that's unmatched in the industry. The brand's also investing in digital technologies, allowing customers to configure and purchase cars online. This focus on customer experience has helped Ferrari build a loyal following among car enthusiasts. Ferrari's strategies are having a major impact on the luxury automotive market. The brand's focus on sustainability and innovation is driving change across the industry, with other manufacturers following suit. The company's commitment to excellence has also raised the bar for competitors, pushing them to improve their own products and services. As the market continues to evolve, Ferrari is well positioned to remain a major player. Ferrari's influence extends beyond the automotive industry, with the brand's iconic designs and sleek styling influencing everything from fashion to architecture. The company's also partnered with a range of high-end brands, from luxury watchmakers to exclusive fashion designers. These partnerships have helped Ferrari expand its reach and appeal to a wider audience. The brand's impact on popular culture is another area where it's really making waves. From its appearances in films and video games to its partnerships with celebrities and musicians, Ferrari is a cultural icon. The company's also invested in a range of philanthropic initiatives, supporting causes like education and healthcare. This commitment to giving back has helped Ferrari build a positive reputation and make a lasting impact. Ferrari's competitors are taking notice of the brand's success, with many attempting to replicate its formula for success. However, Ferrari's unique blend of heritage, innovation, and style sets it apart from the competition. The brand's also investing in new technologies and business models, like subscription services and car-sharing platforms. These moves are expected to help Ferrari stay ahead of the curve and maintain its position as a leader in the luxury automotive market. As one industry expert notes, Ferrari's success in 2025 is a testament to the brand's ability to adapt and evolve in a rapidly changing market. The company's commitment to innovation and customer experience has helped it stay ahead of the competition, with a range of new models and technologies on the horizon. Ferrari's also partnered with a range of experts and thought leaders, from racing drivers to designers and engineers. According to Ferrari's CEO, our goal is to create cars that are not only beautiful and powerful, but also sustainable and responsible. The company's focus on hybrid and electric powertrains is a key part of this strategy, with plans to launch its first fully electric model in the near future. This move is expected to help Ferrari appeal to a new generation of car buyers who prioritize sustainability. Ferrari's executives are also speaking out about the brand's plans for the future. As one executive notes, we're committed to continuing our tradition of innovation and excellence with a range of new models and technologies on the horizon. The company is also investing in new business models and partnerships, like its recent deal with a leading technology firm. This partnership is expected to help Ferrari stay ahead of the curve and maintain its position as a leader in the luxury automotive market. As we look back on Ferrari's exciting developments in 2025, it's clear that the brand is on fire. With new models, technologies, and strategies, Ferrari is poised to remain a major player in the luxury automotive market. The brand's commitment to innovation, customer experience, and sustainability has helped it stay ahead of the competition, with a range of exciting developments on the horizon. Ferrari's broader impact on the automotive industry is significant, with the brand's influence extending far beyond its own products. The company's focus on sustainability and innovation is driving change across the industry, with other manufacturers following suit. As the market continues to evolve, Ferrari is well positioned to remain a major player, with a range of new models and technologies on the horizon. In conclusion, Ferrari's exciting developments in 2025 are a testament to the brand's ability to adapt and evolve in a rapidly changing market. With its commitment to innovation, customer experience, and sustainability, Ferrari is poised to remain a major player in the luxury automotive market. The brand's influence extends far beyond its own products, with a range of exciting developments on the horizon. The future looks bright for Ferrari, with a range of new models and technologies on the horizon. As the brand continues to evolve and grow, it's clear that its commitment to excellence and innovation will remain at the forefront. With its loyal customer base and expanding reach into new markets, Ferrari is poised to remain a major player in the luxury automotive market for years to come. Join the conversation and share your thoughts. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.